And when it comes to high school fall sports, Mobile County Public Schools haven't released a decision about whether to play. Already some student athletes and coaches have tested positive, though. Investigative reporter Brendan Kirby joining us now with the latest on that. Brendan.
Lanice, with community spread of the novel coronavirus so high, it was probably inevitable that it would affect student athletes. Mobile schools officials haven't discussed specifics out of privacy concerns, but spokeswoman Renee Phillips says 8 of the system's 12 high schools have had athletes or coaches who have tested positive, dating to earlier in the summer. Whenever a team gets a positive test, the procedure is to shut down practices for 14 days. Phillips says administrators have held to that 14-day period out of an abundance of caution, even though current recommendations by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention call for 10 days of quarantining. Phillips says a couple of teams have had to go through this shutdown period on 2 different occasions, and that 2 currently are sidelined. We've asked other local school systems about athletics and COVID-19, but haven't yet heard back. The good news, Phillips says, is that none of the sports-related cases appear to have resulted in a mass outbreak. She says that leads school officials to believe that the infected athletes are not passing the illnesses among teammates. Instead, she says, the athletes appear to be contracting it in the community. Meanwhile, although a decision hasn't been made about competition, Phillips says teams continue to prepare as if the games will move forward. Reporting live for Fox 10 News, this is Brendan Kirby.